Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Your niche should fit your passions, interests, and experience. Perhaps you heard that if you do what you're passionate about, the money will follow. Well, listen true to that. The product you create and the services you are offering have to be something that people want and are willing to pay for it. Don't fear competition. When you first start out, you may be overwhelmed by the thought of competition. But rather than seeing competition as a scary thing, see it as a good thing. The deal is, if other people are making money on something, it means people are willing to pay for it. So it's actually counterproductive if you see a niche where there is nobody. If that's the case, it's likely there is no money to be made there. So don't worry about competition. Another thing to remember is that your blog, products, and services need to meet a felt need. So what I want you to do now is to refer back to the first step, your why. For instance, the felt need is the desire to make money online, and there are deeper needs and so on that feed into that. So refer back to the why I talked about in the first lecture. If what you do fits into the people's why, they will be most likely to be drawn to it and want what you have to offer.